Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about how to create our first example. So let's start. So this is my folder. So I need to open the command prompt first. So very simple. CMD on the top of the address bar. I am typing the CMD. Now command prompt is open. Now I am using the explained example. What is the answer? Create React-app project name. You can take any project name, sir. Right now I am taking the example one. So it is trying to create the complete React setup or completely React configured project in my folder. So let's wait for its completion. So it will create the project like this. So guys, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes time. So please be patient when it is complete, when it is going on. So right now it is created all the related libraries and all the download all the libraries. So if you see any warnings as like this, don't worry, it is totally fine. So finally you are going to see this one, success created example one and all the related one. So it will also tell you what are the available commands also. So right now it automatically creates one folder for you. So this is my project. Now in this one there are so many uh, related ones are there. Let us see one by one. So right now we have the first folder, node underscore modules. So all your React and its dependencies related libraries or framework code is available in what folder? Node underscore modules. And any images or project related index.html, our starting web page, everything is available in the public. So in the src folder we need to write our application related logic. So we have three folders, node underscore modules, where all our React and the corresponding libraries will be there. In the public we will have index.html, and please place any css or javascript files or external css javascript files related one, as well as your background images. Src folder contains your project related source code and package.json. Right now this project is tightly configured with the Node.js. So right now our project, for working purpose, we have the package.json. As a developer, you no need to change any of these contents. So our project created successfully. Let us see whether it is executing or not. So remember our command, sir. What is the command? npm start. So automatically your project code will be, or your project code will be placed into the one of the React provided servers as a web application. In order to execute any web application related one, we need a server. So if you are using the React, you no need to download any servers. By default React will provide one new server for us. So let us see whether it is working or not. So right now it is still in the development server. So see, sir, your project is created successfully. I'm able to execute this one. Sir, what is the URL by default, or what is the port number by default React will execute? 3000. What is the port number, sir? 3000. Localhost colon 3000. So right now our server is still running. Suppose you can identify this information here. So in this way I can create the project and I can execute the project also. Suppose observe, I'm stopping this one, so our server is stopped and we cannot access it anymore. So this is the way I can create the project and I can execute the project. Sir, what are the commands we are using for execution, sir? So let me show you that. What are the commands, sir? Create -react project name. You can use any project name. And how you are going to execute the project? npm start. So what is the default port number for npm start, sir? The development server React start will work on or will run on 3000 port number by default. So practice this one also, means creating the project and executing the project. And if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.